How's it going, everyone? Today's job is cleaning another fence. Clean fence, dirty fence. So today we're going to be spraying a cleaner onto the fence, and the cleaner will do all the work for us. I want to hop and do this fairly quickly here, and I want to show you exactly how we do this, but don't forget to press the subscribe button so I can give you more awesome, cool content. I've completed the fence. For more great content, please follow me. Please push the subscribe button. Until next time, another job. See you later, everyone.